Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Uni.ecto Davinci Resolve. This fantastic plugin, part of the Red Giant Universe suite, is designed to add captivating glow and distortion effects to your footage. It's particularly popular for enhancing text and titles, giving them a unique, often ethereal or intense, visual flair. You'll discover how to integrate these effects seamlessly into your projects, transforming ordinary elements into something truly extraordinary. Getting started with Uni.ecto is quite straightforward. Once you have the Max in Universe program installed, the plugin should automatically appear in DaVinci Resolve. To use it, simply add a Fusion title or text plus element to your timeline. Then, navigate to the Effects library, find Uni.ecto under the Open FX section, and drag it directly onto your chosen text. You'll instantly see a default glow and distortion applied, ready for customization. The real fun begins with customizing your Uni.ecto effects. Start by browsing the multiple presets available. They offer excellent starting points for various looks. You can then fine-tune parameters like glow intensity, ranging from 0 to 10, to achieve your desired brightness. Experiment with distortion settings to create unique visual textures. Additionally, you have full control over the inner and outer glow colors, allowing you to perfectly match the effect to your project's color scheme. For best results, always apply Uni.ecto to Fusion titles or text plus elements. Don't hesitate to experiment with all the available settings, including animation, to craft truly unique visuals. When it's time to export, select MP4 format with the H.264 codec. For high-quality uploads to platforms like YouTube, a bitrate of 95,000 kilobits per second is recommended for 4K video, ensuring your stunning effects look their best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.